Kumasi Abranti3, Kumasi Abranti3, Mina mi bano, Mentum batambe diaguro mi dinimi unanzo.
To refresh it might be beer, you no problem. My be beer, and Chanako.
I
didn't even
Kumasi Abranti3,
Then I have listened to me.
It will quite
be the trans and sandwich.
Kumasi Abranti3.
Come out, my fro. I'm for 20 minutes. And I be the corner meeting. But I don't know for one day when you have a calculus in a cocoon when you have a frozen. Nana, my dear papa. What's your running? You have baby? Not if I say. Oh, my name patron at all. What dear papa? By the way, Miss Better came down for you the height inside on them. Oh, and I'm a bit jam checking out. Just so to me by me Chibusa, me send me for Nama. Let's say a father.
Yeah, fetch a nice aim over.
And your life, when the sense of family, I leave it alone. If it's my novel.
Oh, why not?
And I will be maybe a little. Cannot grow ban office into my own corner.
Oh, David, me no be just coming in now.
To no beer.
Me no beer.
The one who feeds you.
Me no
beer.
Me no beer.
My men cannot quench you. Maybe more year. More year. But no maybe you could feel my ninja won't be. So bet me treat me nice. And can never be out there.
Hello, no problem, cry.
And a woman is our Miss Tremend, me move was here. Seminar 4 by me treat 2 good copim W.
Oh, no problem, cry.
My wife, my cover, Biaco Busa, so a bay for. My papa didn't enjoy. No, sister of a seminar. Hey, but then also caliber of a rabbinic crown. Come upon my bed through fee. Me noon son uncle last morning semi.
Me already. I drove from another.
Sister is also not your friend. And I've been near my money so poor. Or bounce a man who didn't call no man round so no date in Japanese. No crap. Save one number, mammy. I have saved no cool guitar. Because Bobby 2 be about the idea.
Sir.
Sister can't correct you.
Oh, be any hope, mamma for a cry. Bien, Bashaba. And Basham South. The Fama Quasibonso. Do doing in on me. Now, me dear Shada can pay 16 against. And young to was so God is my witness. Do you me shall or tamfun to me say? And a smoke and drink is better than stealing. Me not come with you. This is the only problem. Maxia. As for the entire chair, so can it be on channel? Be as Canada, some so a loan or the edge man. Made my brain a mania. Me dear me dispending the amount. My measure when money. Oh, you're nice baby girl. Shanice and I'm not. Hey, but won't you know about walk around? Every mental sacra. Mental sac.
Intimation what the intimation was me. Nice person like you, won't you know? Who money be the woman's if I show my audio? Oh, mental sac. Shannon Fenn corn. What the hag of Kakan say? I'm fine. Ow. Me from me now. But I. Let me have a baby at now. Me person me how. Now charming for ni new come why. Me no cry say my worry ba me pe kwa ni nejai.
Me jade o nice village o apologize shower sisi.
See that?
Yes.
No good return nature. And the people from 28 within just 1 hour.
Good now 7 days. Unim I can't say I grow about fee now open temmo.
Akusian.
It two bobo ni say poor now can say baby. We from nice village hope me call Ejabaho. Because I think say yeah and they 4 days or so. Because good no. They were a civil technical, a graphic, a ingenuous, a charlatan. A more tomobo cinema the normal test. Because the amount of money na menya no is a whole lot huge. You understand? In terms of some tombos, no me who say, and if I can not be a medal, na me dabe yo. Into no, baby, come on, who they say, yeah, dear.
I don't know, Chantrosa. Go the no way, huh? What call me a ma boba so goda? What sign that you told me interest and you are down for tips in it? I can't share me and can also be Zammy on. Sana be my. Winning. beginning nka wo say me hu because be more fafo no they was snap no yes no offense onni bra wonni abra bo papa bia bo be more sorry on social media no osa no post no wonni abra bo papa bia bo wo me more make I don't make a trail say you me a come some ma ba kwa kan wo I don't know me who the main country I don't know where you miss her me more as my boyfriend that you pay future say na who they am me no don't call him ponka no crutch me arrested Kasame who you just talk to me I'm listening and that's my head that you say
Tipsy, be a final floor, no? Tipsy, be a soda too. A boss, a tata. Oh, Jade. Oh, Jade. Any brew, any bread, and maybe I never go away. Pero, me say, me pesika, sebi, me sweaty, I call it sweatless money. Sweatless blessing, pero, and you me person me, Jessica, Canada. Pero, there beat me, never use me by Jessica, at my mother man, I'm a Jimmy. Ah, pero, Sikibia, me been from Mount, when I we are la. No, maybe I there up there. Now, I can't do so much time. I will say, very for mommy, now, question, there be, and you meet him, Porono, there be. It's very hard to say it. Unim, name you always a miss. Be I say at least meet me can half from po. Now come you do a command can I day. Actually, because can more do. We don't share the Obana, the Jumed to me. Sister and I a friend. Sugar no. Obaba. Listen,
babe, I think like I said, me know it didn't come be and all that, but
I know, right?
It seems like I said, why slow? Oh, it's a business now. I say, man, for now, I really mean it, and trust me, Scott, or just look at this now. Please excuse me. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, on the cement, on the cast 4 if we come ever, and I also cast 2 ever. Yeah, and one of the double tray, double azone, and also 20 ever, and any problem. Why? Yeah. Project in this year, you best start to so, and send me a percentage in a minute room. But as it seems like I said, I'll relax it.
Baby, relax. Once it's kind of working, it's not just about like 10,000 cities, which 100,000 cities. You need to relax for me. Make a daddy amount in no time, please. I can't promise you like tomorrow or the next day, but you relax for me. This week I'm gonna hook up with you.
Oh, like me, I'm okay, but just that I said, many percent in
yeah, it's 100% confirmed. May don't worry.
That's fine. That's fine. But I would say one way or the other, and also being apart. Do you get it? And I don't want to situation whereby other more in China, so because in Bia, you know, I will say an assistant.
Basically, when it comes to you, you are my first priority, right? So, what do you need here? For me, don't think about it. Yeah.
So, find out.
I'm saying this week. I'm not saying tomorrow, but this week. I can't promise you that by this week, I'm gonna hook up with you. Trust me.
Okay, alright, it's fine.
Hey, okay.
Fine. Yeah, I'm
That's
fine.
one stress. You don't need to stress.
Yeah, baby, come on.
Now, okay, you didn't check the mirror.
KUMASI ABRANTE3.
It's been a while, right? Yeah. It's been like 3 weeks since I got to Ghana. It's been pretty good. Yeah. but it's too much drama. I don't know what's going on, actually. Too much drama. Yeah. So, I don't know what to say, but...
Sister Sheila, excuse me?
Hold on. Let me call you back.
Huh? Sister Sheila, why you didn't see me?
Who are you?
Why you don't remember me anymore?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
I've been trying to call you, you don't pick. I call you, sometimes you are busy, you don't call me back. Why? What's wrong? Why?
Nothing.
No, I don't understand. I don't understand. What's going on?
Nothing.
No. Why have I done anything back to you?
No.
So why are you not picking my call?
I don't see your calls coming through.
You've ordered me to do something for you, but...
I thought I told you to stop.
When?
I don't remember, but I think I told you to stop.
Or the other guy have dissed me to you or what?
Who is the other guy?
That KUMASI ABRANTE3, that guy.
I haven't seen him in a while.
So why are you not picking my call?
I don't see your calls coming through.
Really?
Yeah.
Why have you changed your number?
No.
So why? What's happening?
Nothing has happened.
I don't understand.
You wouldn't understand too. I don't know.
Why? What's going on?
Nothing. You've been asking what's going on severally, but nothing is going on.
No, I don't get it. Why?
What don't you get?
I've not done anything to you. Have I taken any money from you, which I've not done something for you?
No. So? Actually, I've not given you nothing as well.
So why are you not picking?
I plan on not doing anything. So, yeah. That's about it. Which business?
No, that's the one we are talking about.
Oh, actually, yeah. I decided not to do it anymore. I'm gonna go back tomorrow, back to the States.
Tomorrow to you?
Yeah, I'm going back to the States tomorrow, so I'm gonna do everything over there.
Some guys.
Just tell them to stop. That's fine. So sorry about that. That's the only thing I could tell you now. I'm sorry. Yeah.
We are seeing you there.
We are seeing you there? What do you mean by that?
No, I don't understand. I don't understand what's going on.
I also don't understand what's going on. Actually, I just said I don't want to do anything
again. I'm trying to be fair to you.
You've been fair to me, right? But now the thing is, I have to go back to see my mom, my father, and everybody's waiting on me. So I don't have time anymore. I have to leave early tomorrow morning. I'm catching my flight, okay? So I'll probably call you when I get there and just check up on you. But I'm not doing any business anymore. But you are here, I've been calling you,
you're not picking my call. How come you reached there?
It was an oversight. Like I said, I'm sorry, okay? So when I go back, I'm gonna call you and probably, we figure something out, okay? That's fine by you?
I'm cool, it's your own decision.
All right. Do you need any tip? Should I tip you?
Thank you.
You good?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right. Yeah. See you soon.
Thank you. Hey, we are seeing some bunny. I didn't see another call. Me do bonnet, me do sika, me no nya ibia. Me yes me boaw. Obi e do abron. Ah me guide do no. Afere me dey nipa boni ni ama.
Oh, obi am friend say me no come on. Why when him straight say
me buy me hate at the same time on kasa.
Yes, at least I was say on show me him kakra bia na. I say where you win.
And the atmost patch me say talk to me.
And do you know something?
I don't.
My dear, me can't say cry. First of all, me can say me sorry. Say bia, me started my business and me ye and your man ko ye as a jego. You see, they naka different business way now. So like I say, me no discuss about it. Oh, my friend, no, they are me Tony and
yeah.
Osa. Or the business idea be about. I say, I said, person can me be invest in any business now. We any be what I say. Be judging way.
Some meets you.
And call person. He be invest in or be skaka crash. Na kam dia wa be shame ti say e bia mfa so ne ba na ya che. What I say.
Okay.
Nti ya so no me investor no na che say because also no ne dey no ye no en che dan ye kese. Nko be say ye fe dey ye bie mu kese. E pe shop krom ne ade container bi no tin. En che dan ye we sa.
Okay.
Nko be say kan be invest na nka ye bie stock kese ne ade ne nyema no ofa so we no bi kra be fa nyema bibre e dey abrand ne ade na che say nka ye ton na profit e ba na odi me share ayede amama what I say tinka we pass kaka kra bi na nka o pe
Bese.
o be 80,000 bi what I say
Anu sika kakra no. Nti ko pe kase nka obe demand say. And so anymore. This is not the real face of my wife.
200,000 cry 80,000 200,000
Ama, I love you so much, but Abribiano, I say, why dear Saudi Bano? They are kicked ones. They are expired. They are kicked. They are expired ones. Unkoma only dear Biano.
The way baby, into the bay no make answer ma. Obedia two once I won't complain. Just anything be you complain about it. Be I did where I made the business idea but you sorry some person me ye baby mama home. If you na me no me person me ye baby. Do me ti feel but na me ye juma. Only go for me invest in business man or mo wo fie. Obo how ye business or jiska
you were
it's the bio then I'm the Babaka Sam and the Wakanya. Just as I'm now cannot catch me say me.
I'm not saying why are you trying to misinterpret or mislead whatever statement I make.
Prophet Samsa na they
Prophet Samsa na they say
oh
you can't sit in the house and expect me to give an amount of 80,000 Ghana cedis to a friend of yours to do business.
What now? I never time na I'm sorry. We say gidi pray na answer na money scan. This time more than what? If you quite online no your business. We quite them the man be no nipa na ya na me to wanna me enjoy profit.
Save your breath.
Oh, come on.
Only baby. What down for no? I dream your crown is so smart, but within a very low battery. I am telling the gospel truth. One, let's assess from this very angle. Shop na ye bien, is it going to be your name or your friend's name? Two, enyamana okojia bano. She has been in this business for so many years. I didn't think on country meme and on country say talk to your husband. Let him get a very big shop. Yenfa udin toso. One fine yaman bra. I'm ever ready to pay for that. But you don't.
Obey.
Of course, yes. But would you want to make ano? You are expecting me to give money to you? You give it to your friend? No, I said to no good skin anymore. No, a bancher. Your husband, I'm not a fool. I'm very smart enough to do what is right.
Babe. Why
would I do that, baby? But I am ever ready to do business. I'm ever ready to support you. If your words are very, very tangible reasons. But reasons are a good garbage, a good WC, a good toilet paper. I'm not going to respect to that and do justice to that. Excuse me, my love.